Why enthusiasts should choose to become an Azure Administrator. In today's rapidly evolving digital world, cloud computing isn't just the future, it's the present. And at the heart of that transformation, Microsoft Azure. What is an Azure Administrator? An Azure Administrator is responsible for implementing, monitoring, and maintaining Microsoft Azure solutions, including major services related to compute, storage, network, and security. They act as the backbone of cloud infrastructure for businesses using Microsoft's cloud ecosystem. Why you should consider becoming one. 1. Massive industry demand. Over 95% of Fortune 500 companies use Microsoft Azure. And with more businesses migrating to the cloud every day, demand for skilled Azure professionals is skyrocketing. 2. High earning potential. According to global salary data, Azure administrators can earn $90,000 to over $120,000 per year, depending on location and experience. 3. Entry point into cloud careers. Azure Administrator is often the first stepping stone into higher-level roles like Azure Architect, DevOps Engineer, or Cloud Security Specialist. 4. Globally recognized certification. Microsoft's AZ-104 certification proves your skills and opens doors worldwide. It's respected by employers and gives you a competitive edge. What skills do you need? As an Azure Administrator, you'll need a mix of technical and problem-solving skills. Managing Azure subscriptions and resources, deploying and managing virtual machines, implementing virtual networks, securing identities with Azure Active Directory, monitoring and backing up resources. How to get started. Here's how you can start your journey. Learn the basics. Get familiar with cloud concepts. Take a course. Platforms like Microsoft Learn, Coursera, or Udemy are great. Practice hands-on. Use a free Azure trial account. Pass the AZ-104 exam, the official certification to prove you're ready. Final thoughts. Cloud computing is one of the fastest-growing tech fields, and Azure is leading the charge. Becoming an Azure Administrator not only gives you job security and a great salary, but it also puts you at the center of innovation. So, if you're passionate about tech and ready to future-proof your career, Azure Administrator might be the perfect path for you.